So I'm in Loveland, Ohio. My name is Anthony Ford. I'm the proprietor of Kong Armor, an ultra tough, ultra high stretch, ultra thick deck resurfacing armor, right? I'm up here in Loveland. This deck had Peeling Restore 10X on it. A very nasty, vile, aggressive DIY rescue coating that was sold at Lowe's and Home Depot in the 90s and the 2000s also. I think they stopped selling it about 5 years ago. But let me tell you, we're not 1,000,000% done here yet. This is going to get more layers put on top of it, but the deck floor here, if I zoom in here, you guys can see this old aggressive coating. It's really textured. That's not our coating, that's actually the Restore 10X. And our coating is actually riding over top of it, and it'll give it a really soft, kind of smooth feel to it. Whereas the old stuff, let me show you what the old stuff looked like. It's horrible and nasty. As you can see here, this is what it looked like. Just an old ugly surface. But the Kong system has it pretty much encapsulated up here on the floor now. We're gonna work, the guys are working, we're working on encapsulating the rest of it. We're working on doing the rails and everything now, but we're gonna save this deck's life. And I mean, when I mean save its life, we're saving this owner from tearing this all up and replacing it all because of that coating system, which is a very, very high dollar cost right now, especially in 2022. So what we call this is lockdown encapsulation. I'm gonna get out of the sun here a little bit, but we call this lockdown encapsulation. And you can see over here is what he started to do. He replaced this little section of the floor, and I think that was enough for him. You know, and started looking for other answers out here, and boom, he ran into my company, and here we are. We're doing the encapsulation of this, and it's absolutely, look, the good thing about Restore is that it does actually provide a lot of protection. And on this particular deck, it's not peeling a whole lot. It does have some areas of peeling, but they're not massive. But one thing that it does that's really great is it actually covers fasteners, it covers hairlines, so it does provide a lot of water lock. And then with the Kong film, the high stretch film over top of it, you're talking about something where it's next to impossible for water to get into these boards, which is going to be great. The sun is beating down on all this right now. I'm going to get off of it. We're finishing up here in Loveland, trying to get finished up. I think we're going to finish up here tomorrow. We've also replaced a few rotten boards here and some spindles and done some other things. All this up here was all Peeling Restore too, all of it. And this stuff through here, he asked me to do it as well, so we obliged him. He redid all of this. So the owner rebuilt this walkway. I basically told him it wasn't going to hold up very much longer, and he come in and dug this all up and completely rebuilt it. Bravo for him. There's still a few little patches of Restore on it, on some older planks that he didn't pull out of there, but for the most part this is pretty much new wood. You can see he's got the edge of this one here has some Peeling Restore on it, but all under lockdown and cap. World's toughest deck armor, Kong Armor. He'll have lifetime limited warranty for the deck in the back, a lifetime service promise for the deck in the back. This up through here, it's too low lying for me to warranty, but I'll help him with it in the future if he needs help with it and that type of stuff. That's not a problem. Beautiful little system. Canyon, his front yard is going to match his backyard. And it's going to be pretty. Going to be pretty when it's done. I think we're going to finish up here tomorrow.